I'm gonna do this nice effect here. I'm gonna delete it and start from the beginning. Get the text tool and type drip. Enlarge it and right click on it, rasterize type, then go to effects, add stroke, okay, and then remove the fill. In the swatches I added 4 colors which I'm gonna use, and go to window, brush settings, make sure you have, and the brushes you click on one and go to brush settings and add shape dynamics pen pressure if you have a tablet. Okay, then choose the darkest color and let's start. Go to layers first and add a new layer. We don't want to mix it with the outline. Okay, let's start. You just do this kind of effect. I'm gonna do it fast because it's a fast video, as you know. I'm doing 1-minute videos. Okay, and don't forget in the inside. Okay, after you're done, go to the drip text and delete it, and get the magic tool and go to the layer where we drew everything. Click once outside, then click holding shift inside the D, inside the R, and inside the P. Then go to select and click on inverse. Then create a new layer and get the bucket and go to the swatches and get this color here and paint inside. Then layer 2, put it underneath layer 1 so the outline can show. And now create a new layer on top of layer 2 here and get the paint again and go to the swatches, and this time put this color here, which is the shadows, and put on the paint, zoom in, and let's start adding shadows. And we should put the lightest color here and add light. And this way for all. And we're done.